Ano ba bukas? 21. Guys, hindi ko alam kung anong day na, pero like, we're at the carnival. We're at the riverside. Sinundo namin si Mami sa work. Tapos we're at the carnival for that Father's Day. Yeah! Hey! Yay! Yes! Mommy! Mommy say hi. Mommy say hi. Hi! We're at the carnival, guys!
This game right here, we'll go over that here at the birthday game. All you need is birthday and a little bit of luck. You went here, Paul.
Guys, madami din silang rides ah.
Oh, you want about the carpet? Huh?
Kaya mo mag-basketball? Guys, ako lang ba? Pag nasa labas, ayoko. Matatakot ako na may kakilala ako. Like, hey guys! We're eating. Agad. Rice and chicken. Kumain Mimong ng cotton candy. Say hi! Say hi!
Mimong, say hi. Hi.
Okay.
I'll try mine. Okay.
We go. Sorry. That's okay. One more.
Guys, gusto ko netong baboy. Papa's gonna play it for me. Ambot. Ang dami kong ulam. Yun.
So if you trade him, you can pick the owl, and then if you play 10 more, that'll get you up to the big fish or these guys down.
Big fish? All this one?
Yeah, the dory.
Yeah.
Doing like constant debit transactions, right? So if you were to just do like a 40, that'll put you right up.
All?
Yeah.
Meron ka na na.
Guys. Hello guys. Umalis namin sa carnival kasi we only ate tapos nag-play ng couple of games. Ang daming big like plushies pero like you know it's too pricey. Tapos binala namin si Sam ng balloon tapos si Papa ng panalo na niya to. It's for me. Guys, sayang yung pig doon. Pero like, kasi it's feeling ko scam lahat ng games.
The next day.
Hey guys! Do I look too bright? It's June 22nd and we're going to the fireworks! We are going to the fireworks! Wow! Okay, bro. Look at this guy. Siya nag-initiate na Hey! No! Wait! You wait for ate. Siya lagay ng shoes sa sarili niya. Alaka dito, dali. Guys, we're gonna open the car. Ako na talaga taga-open ang makina. Pero, di ba ako nagda-drive? Because, you know. Yes. Hi guys. So we are now walking or on our way to the 2026 Windsor fireworks. So ayan, walk muna kami, mahaba-habang lakaran to. Ilang trip lakarin natin? 5? Totoo. So ayan guys, no? Ang ginaw guys. Naka-short po ako. So, walk muna tayo guys. And si Sab, ayaw niya maglakad. Nagdala kaming stroller para mabilis. Hi! Sam! Whee! Hi! Hello! Oh, sorry. Careful up! Oh! Careful! Whee! Hello! Hi! Mimong! Hi! Whoop! Yeah. Hi, love! Bye! Look, say hi!
Hi.
Ito sana namin balak mag-park. But then, mas mahirap siya mamaya pag-exit.
Ayun pala yung tsaka.
Ayun nga, tsata. Pwede pa ba dumerit? Guys, we're here. Gosh. Ang daming tao. Okay na. Kita niyo ba yun, guys? Everywhere. Nilagay kasi yung carnival dito. So, ang daming tao. Woo! Ganyan sila ka-sweet, guys. Ganyan sila magmahalan. Mamaya away sila. Oh, ang daming tao. Hello, kayo sa vlog ko ah.
Pwede, bago ka makapasok ng... Ay, dapat makapasok ka before 6.
Yung pala ang sikreto, sasakay kang Ferris wheel pagba.
Sa Pilipinas, yung sunod-sunod na Quintis, maganda na eh.
Pauwi na kami. Tapos na ang fireworks. Bye-bye.
Subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Dapat gumagawa mo na ng short.
Guys, andito na
Short.
Ang sipag kaya na ito, taga-edit ko. Ganyan naman guys. Ang daming tao. Super. Ang ginaw. Ang ginaw tapos ng t-shirt and short lang kami guys. Hey guys, maglalakad muna kami kasi baka madapa kami, no? See you later!